All right, so putting deer blind that we had finished building this week, Todd and Barry and I, and Shirley helped quite a bit too. So we're going to put it up on the base, so you're going to see me crash the blind into a tree and whatnot. So Barry doesn't talk much, and then at the end I'll go over the blind a little bit. All right, so we got the blind up here. It was all hands on deck getting it landed up here on the base. So this here's the inside of our blind. So we use reclaimed tin, and then we just fill all the holes in with a little bit of caulk. The windows are plexiglass, and seeing as how there's so much plexiglass around, we make the windows out of reclaimed COVID plexiglass. And then, I mean, they're reclaimed boards and whatnot. And this is just sawmill 1x6s or 3/4x6s. Little shelves, little hooks to hang stuff on, a rope, a channel, use a dado blade on the table saw to make a channel and a board to slide the windows up and down. Old office chairs, a spring for keeping the door shut, shelves to sit stuff on, which also, it's not like a house because it's more like a unibody car. So as you keep adding pieces onto it, it keeps getting stronger and stronger. So this is how we've been building them. Just repurposed floor. So that's a 4x8. Maybe it's just that's about 4x8. And that's another 1.5 by 8 foot. So the steps are just more 2x6s from the sawmill, just a flip over latch to hold the door shut. Get out of here. An old deer antler for the door draw. So, all right, so got blind number 11 up at the property. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Like I always say, like, comment, subscribe, and God bless you. God bless America.